Creating more free internet access areas, securing the cyberspace, and stimulating youth-driven technological development are some of the works on the agenda for the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology in the 2018-2019 fiscal year.
In this coming year, more free public Wi-Fi in more spaces will be available to our citizens in a variety of ways.
In addition to the 6 locations established last year, come summer, Emancipation Park in Kingston will become a free public Wi-Fi area, granting you the pleasure to walk, run, and rest while being connected to cyberspace. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC will also be following suit.
Every JUTC bus will be a hotspot, and it will cost the government of Jamaica absolutely nothing to implement.
And the entire Knutsford Boulevard corridor from Oxford to Trafalgar Road will be blanketed with free wireless internet as part of the Smart City initiative. But while government makes sure its citizens are plugged into the digital highway, their safety online is of high priority. That is why the state is looking to partner with Israel Aerospace Industries to create the region's first cyber academy.
This academy will build a professional and cyber-skilled workforce by providing training, practical experience, and most importantly, Mr. Speaker, certification in the areas of cybersecurity, cyber defense, and cyber intelligence.
This will make Jamaica the regional leader when it comes to cybersecurity and defense. The island is also on the forefront of work to link technology and medicine. Video conferencing between doctors and patients is just one benefit of the groundbreaking pilot initiative dubbed eCare. 5,000 persons will be selected to participate in the program, which will be launched later this year to enhance healthcare delivery in the country.
My vision is for eCare is to use state-of-the-art technology to cut the long waiting queues at public health centers, reduce overcrowding at these facilities, better manage the incidence of NCDs, realize tremendous cost savings, Mr. Speaker, and contribute to a healthy society. We also believe, Mr. Speaker, that the use of technology through eCare will put power in the hands of patients to better manage their own health. For 2018-19, we will continue energy efficiency interventions in the public sector.
45 households will benefit from solar PV kits in Phase 1 of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica's pilot initiative to assist low-income communities that are not connected to the national grid.
This project will seek to develop a replicable model for the promotion of sustainable energy supplies within communities that have depended mainly on candles, kerosene lamps, or charcoal because it is not economically feasible to install conventional pole and line infrastructure.
Up to 2,000 households should be provided with renewable generated electricity. NASAL will also be continuing its pole line extensions by constructing 50 kilometers of distribution power lines and providing wiring for 800 houses. The PCJ will also be involved in enhancing youth development. 750 young people between the ages of 18 and 35 will receive training at the University of Technology.
Over a 3-week period, participants will be trained in the areas of engineering, business, hospitality and tourism management, renewable energy, entrepreneurism, robotics, and information technology.
Along with full tuition coverage, participants will receive room and board, transportation, as well as an individual stipend of $45,000. To underpin all its work in science and technology, the ministry will be tabling the national STI policy in Parliament soon. It will connect major players in the industry while fostering a culture of innovation and establishing an agenda to develop world-class capacity and reputation through the use of science, technology, and innovation. The Information and Communications Technology ICT Bill is also on the legislative agenda. It will repeal the now 17-year-old Telecommunications Act, with one that will establish a legislative environment more in tune with the realities of today's dynamic ICT landscape.
This is how you energize and empower our people for national growth.